Hello everybody, it's day 13. So we passed the half time and that means Christmas is near, so it's next week. And yeah, let's see what's in here. Okay, let me have a look. Okay, it looks very brownish. Okay, guess it's a building. Okay, here's my, oh, and I'm lucky it's a chocolate toffee. I love chocolate toffees. So yeah, it's very brown. Look at that, you can't see it. I will do them on a tablet today again, because I think it's a bit easier this way. So, and let's have a look in my candy. It is a chocolate toffee, but I can't eat it now because I just brushed my teeth. So I would destroy the lovely flavor of it. So, okay, that was number 13. And now I hope after 2 days of glue and ribbon, we will have a cute animal again. So number 13. Yes, it is a jigsaw. No ribbons and glues anymore. So what could it be? The back side is blue. Ah, and I can see fish. Okay, so that might be something underwater. We will see it soon. Okay. I feel a little bit off today, but it will be okay, I guess. Okay, let's do the jigsaws. Okay, so that was an underwater scenery. It's a whale, and he is carrying a Christmas tree underwater, and all the little fishes are dressed up. Look at that little seahorse. Is it seahorse? I think so. So he's a Rudolph, and he's got a little hat on. And I would really do like this little puffing fish. I guess when he's small, the ribbon will just fall off. So that's very cute. Look, those pink fishes. They're carrying the Christmas decoration. But look, they are carrying the Christmas decoration, or they decorated themselves, because in the tree they are just seashells, and that looks beautiful too. So yes, that's the animal for today. And here we've got, oh, I have to turn it a little bit, some buildings, and I don't think that we can connect them with the jigsaw. I will put you up as always, because that is easier for me. Okay, so let's have a look. It's a bit of sky, so you know there is sky on the picture somewhere, but we can't connect it. No. So we have to wait maybe here. No. So that will stay here and wait for its turn. And that's it for me today. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.